This is the Irontrader, and this is Midday Trading. Today we're going to stay with the old oil theme here, and we are going to look at XLE. This is the big oil ETF. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity ETF. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have the XLE, your daily and your weekly chart. Now, this is the big oil ETF. I posted this many a times. It's got your Exxon and your Chevron and your Mobil and your Schlumberger and Chevron, and the whole 9 yards is in here. Plus, this pays about a 3.5% dividend, okay? But this is an easy way to trade big oil here in case one goes, two goes down. This is a good way here where you're not going to either, lose everything here, but you have good gains here on this. Okay, let's just take a look here at the chart. Okay, so on your daily. Well, we had a big gap up here today, basically on the old Middle East situation going on there. So oil's in play, and all the companies, everything, and natural gas, everything will be in play here on that kind of a news to see how fast they can get this settled, or if the fighting is going to continue, or whatever it is. So we have to figure out on how we can make money off this situation here with this oil ETF. All right, so you can see where it gapped up here, and then the key level here is going to be this 8 SMA here, sitting at 88.08. Okay, that is going to be the key. Now, again, if you can close above this here, then we look to this 50-day here at 89.11, and then right above that, we have 90.04. Okay, so you have all your upside targets here right in play here. Okay, so you have your 8, your 50, and your 21-day, all really nice in play. Now, again, if you can get above that, well, then we start looking at all these candles here. Okay, so then you have 91.23, you have 91.83 here, you have 92.41, and then we have the retest here of this candle here, 92.79, and then we come up to here at 92.93, and then your retest at 93.69. Key to all that, though, is the same way to crude. You've got to get above this 50-day and above this 21-day on a closing basis, okay? Right now, as this stands, you have an indecision candle. So let's look here at what's going to happen here on the downside. So you want to look at this low. This is 87.40. There's your gap. And then we want to look to the top of this candle here. That's 86.51. That is going to be your fill, okay? So your gap and your fill. When it sells off, it should come right down here to that fill area. And then right below that here, you have your 100 SMA here sitting at 85.02. And then we have 84.96 is your 200-day. That is going to be your key level there of support. Like obviously, if that's lost, then we just come down to this candle here. You're looking at 84.52, and then the big Friday's candle there, which was 84.26. Okay, but we don't worry about that right now. We take one level at a time here. If it sells off, watch this gap fill. Watch the bottom of this candle here first as a gap. There's your fill here, and then you're basically your 100 and 200 day on the upside. Watch that key 89.11 and 90.04 here on the upside. Now we take a look here on the weekly. Well, actually, this is looking here pretty good. Okay, so bottom line is this. You want to look here at the 50-day. That's always going to be very, very key. That's your 85.72, and then we have 85.40 right below that. And then on the upside, you really need to close above this 89.50. Now, again, that's for the week, not for, for the day. So last week here, you had a big-ass red candle here. Looked like it was going to go lower. Nobody knew what's going to go on with this war all of a sudden. And then it just shoots up here. So now, so far, it's like an inside a candle here. So we got to see how it's all going to shake out here through the week, okay? So very, very easy kind of a trade here. Watch all your key SMAs here on the upside. Watch your gap fill, and then your key 100 and 200 day on your downside. All right, thanks for watching.